Proven benefits of intermittent fasting. 1. Promotes fat loss. 2. Improves insulin sensitivity. 3. Improves metabolism. 4. Starves bad bacteria in the colon. 5. Improves mindful eating. 6. Improves appreciation of real whole foods. 7. Improves eating patterns. 8. Improves brain function. 9. Improves immune system. 10. Fights cancer cells glucose dependent. 11. Reverses diabetes. 12. Improves fatty liver. 13. Improves neurodegenerative disorders. 14. Reduces inflammation. 15. Improves cellular regeneration and repair. 16. Improves lipid parameters. 17. Normalizes blood pressure. 18. Improves allergies. 19. Rest for digestive organs. 20. The new and sexy you. In addition, fasting offers many important unique advantages that are not available in typical diets. Where diets can complicate life, intermittent fasting may simplify it. Where diets can be expensive, intermittent fasting can be free. Where diets can take time, fasting saves time. Where diets may be limited in their availability, fasting is available anywhere. And as discussed earlier, fasting is a potentially powerful method for lowering insulin and decreasing body weight.